Hey guys, my name's Seth Fenby, and this is an inspection by video. What we have here is a Gehl 5625DX skid steer loader. We're going to walk around like the major components. First, we have the left front tire. These are heavy-duty industrial tires. The tread is in very good condition, as you can see right here. The tire does have a few little nicks and scrapes out of it, as you can see right around here. Next, we have the rear left tire. The tread is in about the same condition. It's about 90% life left, just like the front one on this side. There is some cracks in it, little nicks and whatnot, as you can see around here, but it's in very good condition. These tires are 12-16.5 NHS 10-ply Caterpillar tires. Next, we have the right rear tire. The tread's about 90% life left, with some cracks and some cuts in it, as you can see right here. But the tread's in pretty good condition. And then we have the front right tire. The tread on this one is down a good bit more. It's probably about 40% life left. And it's a good tire with some nicks in it and stuff, but the tread's just worn down more. Next, we have the bucket. We just have a standard general purpose Gehl bucket, smooth with no cutting edge or tooth bar. Bucket condition's in good shape, as you can see right here. Going around to the back. And this has the Gehl hookup, mechanical manual hookup. The sheet metal is in good condition on this machine. The decals are in nice shape, as you can see right around here. The grill and the rear doors are in good condition. Here's around to the right side. Very nice sheet metal. And the ROPS is in good condition. Here we have the engine running. The engine starts up and it runs out really well. Bumpers in nice condition. The radiator and inside the door here. We got the shot up underneath. Here we have the seat, and you have the T-bar control on this machine. There's the throttle, parking brake, auxiliary hydraulics. The machine has a very nice hookup here for auxiliary hydraulics. Inside the machine you have the key switch, the light functions, the gauges, and the hour meter here, which is reading 5,153 hours. In order to run the machine, you have to put this down. You have a foot pedal for the throttle. This machine has one-handed control. You just twist it to turn, and you push forward to go forward and backwards to go backwards. This is a good running and operating machine, as you can see. If you have any questions, there's links in the description down there. You can text or call me or send me messages. And this is a good, strong machine. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.